Hi, I'm Christian. Welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Today we're working on an upright Frigidaire freezer. We're going to be replacing the actual main control board assembly on the unit. The main control board assembly is right here on the front door. The reason we're replacing it is because it's not going through a self-defrost. We've already tested the heater and the bimetal or thermostat, and we've checked continuity, and we have continuity through both of them. So we're going to perform the uninstallation, try to do the actual diagnostic of pinning out the wires on the Molex connector behind the main control to see if the thermostat's closed so we can get our continuity reading. The tools you would need to complete this repair are a flat blade screwdriver and a multimeter. To begin the repair, we are going to, using a flat blade screwdriver, just pry underneath any edge of the main control. Try not to scratch the appliance. And once it's pried up, we can go ahead and pull straight out on the actual main control assembly, and we'll set the old one aside. The pins that we're going to be checking the continuity on the main control board Molex connector are pins 4 and 8. 1 is on the left side, 8 is on the right. So we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last one, which is 8. So right now, the unit's not cold enough to where the actual defrost thermostat is closed, which would send power through the thermostat to the heater. So I know that it is fine because we did test it while it was cold. So now that we know that the thermostat and heater are fine, like I said, we've already checked them earlier when the actual thermostat was cold enough to be closed. Right now it's not cold enough, but we do know that they are fine. So we're going to begin the installation of the new control board. Now that we have our new control board, let's install it. To install the new control board, the only thing we have to do is line up the whole control board and make sure that the Molex is lined up at the bottom. Once it's all lined up, we'll push it straight on. We'll go ahead and plug in the unit and test the operations, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality in-home repair video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.